A snowboarder gliding down a perfectly powdered Colorado slope and a skier skidding on an ice sheet in Vermont could be paying the same company for the tush freezing lift up the mountain. The ski industry has been consolidating for decades due to the rising cost of running the slopes. Almost 3 in 5 North American ski resorts closed between the 1960s and 2022, while many of those that remained were gobbled up by private equity-backed companies, with Colorado-based skiing behemoths Vail Resorts and Alterra Mountain Company leading the pack. 37% of the U.S. 375 public ski areas are run by slope conglomerates, according to an analysis by ski industry writer Stuart Winchester. Alterra and Vail operate 14% of public U.S. ski areas with a lift, stretching from the Rockies to the Appalachians, and their ownership of large ski resorts puts them in control of half the country's lift capacity. Pass hegemony. The two juggernauts have upended snowy peak economics by selling seasonal passes that give skiers unlimited access to dozens of resorts at a fixed price. The advent of Vail's Epic Pass in 2008 and the launch of Alterra's rival Icon Pass in 2018 allowed the companies to enjoy predictable revenue in an industry constrained by capricious weather patterns. In December 2023, Vail's then CEO said ski passes accounted for 73% of the company's overall lift ticket revenue. There's a catch. While offering a relatively good deal to those willing to make skiing their entire personality commit to hitting the slopes all winter, Vail and Alterra jacked up the price of one-day lift tickets to incentivize seasonal pass signups. This season, weekend daily lift access at Vail's top resorts costs an average $261, according to Bloomberg, while a seasonal pass that gives skiers unlimited access to 42 locations was $982. But some skiers are passing on the passes, complaining that the unlimited access system has, in some cases, led to crowded slopes and lift lines stretching all the way to the lodges. Indie resorts are also getting a lift from overall growth in snow sports and an influx of disgruntled skiers eager for cheaper daily passes and a more rustic experience. They even banded together in 2019 to launch the Indie Pass, an alternative to Icon and Epic for mom-and-pop resorts. The company distributes 85% of the pass proceeds among the resorts, which they use to fund upgrades to lift and snowmaking equipment.